Thank goodness this white vehicle saw this black vehicle cutting across it to make the exit as the white vehicle put on its brake lights. My goodness. Where you going that fast to make the exit? This SUV put on its brake lights in anticipation of a vehicle speeding up behind it. I wish more vehicles did this instead of tailgating. However, they decided to get back into that lane and cut in front of the SUV. And then, of course, the SUV put on the brakes again because now they're tailgating the car that just jumped in front of them. Very bad. This car decides to cut in front of the Mercedes SUV. Very bad. And now the Mercedes obviously is tailgating. But then a little further, you can see, even in slow lanes, these cars are tailgating. It's a severe problem in this area of people always tailgating. Regardless of the reason, people in this area constantly tailgate. Very, very, very dangerous. This vehicle, I don't even know if they even noticed that the light was red and had been red, and now the light is turning green. It could have been really, really bad accident. Thank goodness it was not.